ignorance is not a demon, you can't cast it out. So if you are ignorant of what God has made available to you, you will be poor, and even God cannot help you. Now, do you know what we now do? God bless you, sirs, please. So what we do, my brother, please face the altar now. I want to do what we do in church. So this brother cannot drive. Then we organize anointing for driving. And then the pastor, like a superstar, is jumping. Shalabo Shata, Yekotalabo Sata. I'm the God of all flesh. There is nothing impossible for me to do. I'm here to let you know what is impossible with man is possible with God. If you believe it, touch through people and say, I can drive, I can drive, I can drive. Listen to me, people of God, as I anoint you, as this oil touches your life, as my hand touches your life, you will drive. You will drive. My brother, come. Receive it now. Begin to drive. Begin to drive. Now listen. Can he drive? Why? He doesn't know how to drive. Listen to me. Why do you now go to church and the pastor tell you this is anointing for prosperity, and you believe that nonsense? Hello? There is no anointing for prosperity where there is no knowledge of prosperity. You know why? There is nothing wrong in the communion. There is nothing wrong in the oil. There is nothing wrong in the prayer. There is nothing wrong in the declaration. There is nothing wrong in the laying on of hands. But when there is no knowledge, the anointing is tangible, but there is zero knowledge. And whatever you multiply by zero equals to zero. So the reason why many of you are poor is it's not because the pastor is not anointed. It's not because the church is not anointed. All manner of anointing are on your life, but you have not given attention to the knowledge that the anointing will work with. So the anointing stays there. So if this guy comes to the service and we anoint him to drive, what does he now need to do? He now needs to go to a driving school. When he now goes to a driving school, what normally takes people 3 months will now take him 1 month. That's when the anointing goes to work. God bless you, my brother.
Yeah.